Hey sisters.
Oh my God.
Hey guys, welcome back to my...
I feel like we're the discount version of them.
Honestly, yeah.
Could be the sunset or just the look in your eyes that shine so bright.
I like the Asian discount version of Manny MUA, but like less hairy and less followers. And more problematic.
It's true. You're gonna point out. I agree.
This could be the last video for a while. Cause yeah, when my family's leaving Korea and they're my eyes are like conveniently watering. Cause I was washing my face just now.
I don't think you would ever cry.
Well,
I'm sad. Oh, I bought a Ryan plush just so I can remember you in case I forget you.
Cringe! No, I'm kidding. Oh, that's so sweet of you. Love you. This intro's gonna be like 50 minutes long. She was like, oh, what do we do? I don't know what to do. It's like, how about you Instagram baddie makeup? I was like, that's the second video we did.
I guess.
Oh, how about like, I try to do your makeup, like you
And
teach
you
me. I was
mine.
like, that's literally the third video.
You're trying to whitewash me.
I mean, I know someone did this.
So many YouTubers did this.
Right, not just this idea, but like this specifically. I think a girl followed this tutorial from Pony.
Oh, she's a queen. I cannot.
Honestly slayed. Also, please ignore the fact that you can see, do you see there's
Oh my
like,
God.
I'm missing one over there. I can do this. Oh, that's not too bad. We're gonna follow one of Pony's tutorials, one of her famous ones.
Coral makeup.
Chuck coral makeup.
I'm using my iPad because I got mine taken away for this hair.
So she got her hair done, slayed everything, but my dad hates the fact that she did anything to her hair. Like he was pissed. He was like legit. You know when they're like, no,
I
you
came
know.
home, he acted like I went out and got pregnant.
Same.
Or like did drugs.
But like same. We're gonna follow our tutorial and we'll see at the end how it turns out. Because I'm not doing your makeup, you're doing it yourself this time.
I guess.
Yes.
Oh, it's the fullest brightness.
Like high key though, I wasn't really into this when when she changed her, because it used to be just Pony, but I got used to it.
안녕하세요, 포니입니다.
Queen.
Slay, honestly,
Legend.
when will your faves? When will your faves?
I'm gonna fail.
You know, I really feel like 75% of this is because she's already pretty.
Can't relate.
Can't relate.
은은하게 빛나는 밤 타입 베이스를 사용해 볼게요.
I don't have this, but I have something similar. I guess something to give you like
That's what they all
moist.
say. Huh?
Some of this stuff we're gonna have to share. There's some things I have 2 of, or some that I have like different things of. So I'm gonna use this 3CE Back to Baby Glow Beam. Do I want to explain each product?
No.
They
don't care. I don't feel like they care because I wouldn't care.
I care. If you want glowy shit, this will give you glowy shit. Here you
Just
go.
put in the description if people actually do care. And most of your followers, they don't really care about your makeup. I
Maybe
think.
you're right.
That's what I've heard from.
Hey Edward, don't watch your videos for makeup, but love you anyway. Thank you. Of course I still appreciate it.
Hi, mostly in the center of the face.
Ooh. Honestly, I'm so tired right now. I feel like if I try to be all like entertaining, it's gonna come off really, really fake.
I mean,
99%. Honestly,
Actually, I'm more.
Tori, bringing the truth.
I'm probably more fake than
The
you.
truth. Not really. You act the same off
No,
camera.
because like I'm like really nice to people, but in my head I'm like roasting like boy.
That's like everyone.
No, but
That's like
I'm
all the
really
internet
bad.
kids.
And also, I talk shit about people on my private account. I mean, I'm really mean.
Are you? I don't think
Well,
you're mean.
because they're mean to me, so I gotta talk shit about them.
I think it's normal for people to have, I guess, bad thoughts about others, especially if they do shit to you. I mean, you don't talk shit about people that don't do anything to you, right?
No,
Right.
I don't talk about people unless they do.
And these
something.
people that you say talk shit about you, what did you do to them? Nothing, right?
No, I'm actually nice to them. Like if they ask me to
So they fucking deserve it.
borrow a pencil, I give it to them,
Honey.
and they don't give it back.
The thing is, are they doing well in school? Is the question.
No, they suck at.
Well, there you fucking go. I can see it. Oh my! It is not a measure of someone's worth. Edward. It says I feel like it's too bright.
No, keep it high.
I can make it brighter later on if it's.
I'm greasy.
Oh. No, you're glowing.
I look like donut.
Oh my.
Glazed donut.
What? Oh my! You do look oily. Here, wipe it down with a sponge.
How come you look okay, but I don't?
Because I only put it in the center.
I did too.
Girl, you look like you. Some like baby
No,
oil. Also, I changed the camera settings, and I'm not filming in S-Log, so it's not great at me right now. But hopefully, it looks okay when I go to edit it.
What's the S log?
S-Log. Remember, have you seen it before? Where it's kind of gray.
I don't remember.
Do you fucking remember anything?
No,
I film it in a very low contrast, so later when I go to edit the color, I have as much
Oh, you can
room
edit
to-
colors?
Of course you fucking...
인터넷으로 이 제품을 구입했는데 1호가 너무
Ah, this one. I almost bought it, but I didn't buy it, so...
이제 파운데이션
sorry, I'm not gonna watch. We've seen this video so many times. I don't think we need to like watch every...
I only watched it once.
Oh,
This better not be white like, oh,
honestly,
the other video.
can't
It's
guarantee
kind of
anything.
embarrassing.
What?
I looked like, the foundation was too white.
Did it?
Yeah,
I don't think so.
I look like Mulan.
So
What? It
We're
was me.
culturally appropriating Mulan, Victoria?
Oh my, I think people will like unironically think that. Have you seen the hate about you on Twitter?
On Twitter? Twitter, I do not go on Twitter because I love myself.
Can't find me.
Of course, there's nice people
It's
on there,
like
obviously,
toxic.
but you got Stan Twitter, you got the K-pop side of Twitter on there.
Twitter, do your thing. Oh,
Oh my god, who said that? I think this foundation's going bad.
Mine's
it's like
really-
not the same consistency, and I think I'm losing my glow.
I have too much glow. At least my acne is kind of going away. I just have scars now.
That's good.
And
I mean, it's
have
good that
a
it's
few
going away, not the chip
scars. The medicine, I hate it.
Why?
It gives me like back aches and like I can't.
What? Oh, that's part of the side effects, right?
Yeah. And also I went to the doctor for a sports physical and then he checked my blood pressure and he was like,
Bruh.
it was like really high. Is this okay?
Oh wait, neck. I think you need to come a little closer because you're doing this again. In like every video, you go back so far. You go far back.
So back so far. I got 10.
Oh yeah, you were in the Philippines, right?
No, it's because I went outside in a soccer game for like
Oh, yeah, that's
30
right.
minutes.
For like 30 minutes.
Why am I so crazy?
Oh my god, bitch! Yes, that glow work, slay.
Yes.
Foundation.
I'm so greasy. Oh my god. Do you think this is
You're
enough?
glowing, glass skin.
I guess.
I don't have any cream concealers that would be Tori's color, so I'm just gonna give her this this Clio, the new Kill cover, the updated version in sand, and I'm just gonna use this 3CE one. The concealer she used in that video, I was getting lots of messages from people, and they were saying that it was being recalled because apparently there's an ingredient in there. I think it's like linked to cancer or something like that. I know Tina Young
Everything
made a
causes
video about
cancer.
it. So sad though because it was one of my favorite concealers.
But everything causes cancer though.
I guess, but that one
Just
was, like,
living
legit.
causes cancer, and it's a fact actually. Scientific fact. The longer you live, the more likely you'll develop cancer.
What are you saying?
감이 있는 제형이라 피부가 건조한 날 주로 사용해요.
Are we supposed to use brushes? Because I've been using my fingers.
I don't think it matters too much. I mean, it's not like every single person's gonna have exactly what she has when they're following these tutorials, right?
I have nothing.
You have a real technique sponge. Slay!
Heart eye emoji. Oh, Ken's so annoying on Fortnite.
Oh lord.
I was about to download it, but I didn't have time. I was studying for exams.
Oh my god, we love a
Studious queen.
studious, ambitious queen.
I'm still gonna fail at life anyway.
Oh my god, same.
It's already reality.
Mom, I hope you know that your voice is gonna come out in this video. In these video.
In these,
Then she said with powder.
she has pink powder.
It's color correcting powder.
That exists.
Don't have that, so we're just gonna use this one. There are so many days that I go, oh, I should do a pony tutorial today. Or like follow one. Do it. I'm like, I look fucking nothing like her, even though that's not the point. It's just,
Just the concept.
alright. We love a conceptual queen. I think I'm trying too hard now. To be like the youngins.
The who?
The youngins. We're like, oh, we love it. Oh, yeah.
Me.
You.
No, I'm talking about trying hard in general to be something else. Just be yourself.
God. Oh lord, the next step, Tori, your favorite part, brows.
No, my favorite part is the eyeliner.
That was being ironic.
Talking about the eyeliner, I'm worse at it. Can I start now? Can I get a heads up?
I guess.
Oh my!
Oh, what the f?
It's getting tangled in my hair. Oh my, the heck's with my hair?
I used one of those tattoo brow tint pens the other day.
Not all of us are rich like you.
Rich? It's like less than $10.
Exactly.
For people that do makeup in general, like the way you want to do your brows are very particular. And when you do them, it feels nice, but the process of getting there can be really annoying.
It is.
We actually were recording, it was like a get ready with me or something.
Where? When?
Before in my other house.
The one that you didn't upload?
Yeah.
Don't even post.
I deleted it that fucking day. She didn't have, and she still doesn't have contacts. So the whole time she was like,
Oh, this is tragic.
what is this?
I don't even know.
That brow, what did you do? I think I saw on your Instagram where the brow goes like up at the end.
Oh,
It looks like a very horny brow.
The fishtail. Fishtail? Oh, I skipped.
Fishtail, what the fuck?
Fishtail.
That looks like no fucking fishtail.
I don't know, it's called fishtail.
Oh.
I like mom's brows, but then like dad's unmatching brows.
Thanks.
Ken is so annoying.
Dad, can you tell Kent to stop being so loud because we're trying to film?
Ken.
I'm just kidding, it's not that bad. Have you come on Drag Race? Where it's like the whole competition, they want to be like, oh, sisters, but at the same time they also want to like sabotage them.
Me.
But at the end they're like, I thought you were my sister. That show, as much as I love Drag Race, it's so like, have you seen it before?
No.
I'm sure you can imagine.
I've seen the one episode.
I'm sure you can imagine it though. It's just a bunch of like drag queens that are
Yeah.
they're sisters, but then it's also a competition. So they're like, this is not RuPaul's best friend race, but it's like they have an emotional breakdown. Like, oh my god, oh no, you're not gonna be on the bottom, even though she's on the bottom. It's like an emotional roller coaster.
Okay. What are you doing?
Why don't you put contacts in, Tori? Do you even use the ones that I bought you?
No.
Exactly.
Because I don't know how to put it in.
It's called Practice, Victoria. How about it?
I'm scared of her. Like if I ever meet her in real life, she'll beat my ass just for existing.
She would. But you're a little Tay, so.
Little Tori.
Oh no. Oh.
What do I have to flex?
까맣게 남아있는 코랄 계열의 아이섀도우
Oh, I literally,
팔레트를
after this video came out, the next day,
이렇게 10가지 컬러
I went out and bought it. This brand though, W Lab, it's like every video. I can only imagine how much they're paying her to talk about these products. But I don't know if they're actually popular or not, because it's not like they're ever sold out whenever I go to buy them.
먼저 선플라워 컬러를
Sunflower?
사용해서 눈두덩과 언더라인에 넓게
Alright, grab
발라주세요.
yourself a brush, bitch.
Which one do I use?
This one, do not use that one. It's my good brush.
I'm expensive.
Are you?
I'm free.
She just puts it like all over the lid, right? And on the
Yeah,
lower.
under.
I can't go all the way to the middle right here, also I look super tired.
I'm already tired.
Same.
Might as well accentuate.
Have you seen Ariana Grande's makeup tutorial?
No, I
The
haven't.
one she filmed herself on her MacBook?
MacBook.
I just used like the natural shadow of my dark circles
Is it the old
as
one?
eyeshadow.
Oh yeah, I saw that one.
Oh my god. And then she puts eyeshadow on anyway.
Ew.
I drew this like middle part, like butt crack hair. I always feel like so aesthetic, that feeling, that look. But then I see a picture that someone takes of me and I look like a dumbass.
영롱한 느낌의 웜핑크 컬러인데 이 컬러
This is a warm pink color that I find so pretty. This one. Right there. Oh, she's a crusty queen. It's a little bit crusty though.
Yeah.
It's like it's chunky. You don't watch anime, right?
No, I've only watched Sword Art Online.
You know anime characters? Well, I don't know if you know, but anime characters, sometimes they have the one hair that sticks up. That's what I have right here. My friends used to say it all the time. Oh, it's my oha. I don't remember. If you know what it's called, please comment down below.
They won't.
They won't. They really won't. Have you seen Attack on Titan? Just kidding.
I've never seen that.
It's pretty fucking violent.
Yeah.
I
Ken
kind
watches
of like it.
컬러감이 강하게 드러나지 않도록 눈 뒤쪽 코너를 막아주듯이 발라줬어요.
Who is Ken talking to? His friends?
Yeah, he's always so angry at them.
Need to get some new friends.
포인트가 될 케이퍼 릴리 컬러는 펄감을 더 영롱하게 연출하기 위해 손끝을
Okay,
사용해서
high key.
눈두덩 중앙 부분에 발라줬어요.
There's just so many shimmery colors that it's starting to look really
Like,
crunchy. I think this would be really proud of like maybe a monolid or someone that has a really smooth flat eyelid. But on
But she
me,
has a
I'm
double eyelid
looking
too.
crusty. From far away, maybe it looks okay, but you see what I'm
far
talking
away.
about? Right? It's okay though, because Pony used it. It has to be okay.
I don't see any difference.
But you know what? I'm going to attribute it to the fact that I'm just ugly. I'm not pretty
Yeah.
like Pony.
Mood. Look like trash compared to her.
Good fucking luck with this eyeliner, bitch.
I can't do this. I've never done eyeliner.
Oh, shit. What the?
Failure. Yeah, this literally is not working.
Oh my god, what the fuck am I doing? This is where it all goes down. Oh my, what the fuck?
I look too greasy. I need to add. Oh my god.
I look like an idiot. Oh. High key. I'm so close to just canceling this shit. It's not okay.
It's okay, Queen.
I don't feel like Pony.
We're not Pony. We can't copy Legends. I thought it was easy. It looked easy.
Because she makes everything look easy. But I'm doing it is just pulling that foundation off.
Just pat it in.
글씨 쓸어주듯이 터치했어요.
쓰레듯이 다시 해주세요.
Maybe if we had the content. Actually, no.
Nothing can save this shit.
I'm so ugly compared to her.
Same.
You're using me for use.
I mean, my moisturizer.
Stop! You're trying to whitewash me.
I mean,
Camera, don't focus on the fakes.
what did you say?
Oh my gosh, what if I say this? Oh
What if you saw
oh my,
if?
what if?
I'll link it up here. Okay, go.
No, I'm gonna cry. Wait, stop interrupting me.
Sorry. Oh shit. Okay.
Oh yes. Oh, the forums.
Oh my god, right?
I don't want to be.
This accident is gonna cost you your life.
How much is that?
Post up, bitch. Just kidding. Yeah, it's fine.
Why do you have to do that? You're so fake. You're a mistake.
I know.
You're a mistake.
Okay.
Don't make me hold this.
Sorry. Doing it for the views. Alright, well, that's...
Fail. It's okay. It's the real us.
This is the real life, not fantasy. Oh yeah, I think you said didn't you say you wanted to like roast some people on camera while you...
Oh no.
No, so now she doesn't want to. Okay, bitch. Bye, Tori.
Bye.
Oh, she's moving
Bye.
to Texas, so if you're in Texas and you see her,
I don't want to go.
good fucking luck in that heat. You're gonna die.
I'm already dead.
Same. You have anything to say to the people?
Bye.
Okay.
Bye, hope. Just kidding. I'm not. What's her name? Danielle Bigoli.
What if Pony Soda was just like, bye host. 안녕 hoder. Bye.
Bye. Last video.
Maybe until you come visit. No, you guys don't visit. You never visit. You guys are fucking pro.
a video call and then
Skype you and collaborate that way. I mean, if this is bad enough, can you imagine not being able to do and having to deal with a Skype call?
Skype calls are like.
Anyway, I'm sad. Bye.
Me too. Bye.